If you've recently purchased a Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or S26 Ultra, you can enroll in the One UI 9 Beta Android 17 through the Samsung Members app. The beta is currently available in select regions, including India, the US, the UK, Germany, Korea, and Poland, although availability depends on your device model and carrier. How to join One UI 9 Beta on Galaxy S26 series. Open the Samsung Members app. You can download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play. Make sure sign in with the Samsung account that's linked to your Galaxy S26 series. Open Samsung Members. Look for the One UI 9 Beta Program banner on the homepage or in the new One UI Beta Home section. Tap on the One UI Beta Program banner. At the end, tap Beta Program Home. Wait for the 1 minute until see the One UI 9 Beta screen. Tap One UI 9 S26 Beta. Tap Join. After enrollment, go to Settings. Tap Software Update. Tap Check for updates. Download and install One UI 9 Beta Update on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. And that's all. Stay and connect with us for what's new on Samsung One UI 9 Beta Update. Have you joined the One UI 9 Beta yet? Let me know in the comments.